What's going on, everybody? I just posted a comment. I'm asking Christians, like, listen. The reason why people don't believe in God isn't because of people like me, or people who read the Bible. That's stupid. That's like the reason why, people get in car accidents is because of the people who read the DMV book. It's retarded. No, that doesn't work at all. Listen to what I'm saying. Christians, if you don't get in the Word, you don't know what you're talking about. And you're saying stuff just trying to be deep, and you look foolish when you do that. I'm not being mean. I'm trying to protect you from becoming a false teacher or false prophets or whatever else. Some of y'all are saying stuff out of emotionalism, and the world, non-believers can clearly see that because it makes no sense for a Christian. Non-Christians know what we're supposed to believe. They know how we're supposed to act. They know what we're supposed to, they know, and so the enemy is using what we're not doing against us and evidence for them who don't believe in God as reasons why God isn't real. It's by our obedience that, people can see the witness of Christ. But if you want to quote Socrates or whatever, go ahead. If you want to quote Buddha, go ahead. But don't make it seem like it's the same thing as the eternal word of God. Don't do that. Now, if they're saying the same thing, if Buddha says this and, Jesus said this, it's true because it's true. Not because Buddha said it, not because it was a great wise man, because it's true. Jesus spoke truth. He spoke truth and he spoke love. But you guys, what a lot of you guys are doing is just speaking out of some erratic, need, some impulse that you feel this way today, so it's true today. Don't do that. Don't do that. Because what ends up happening is that there's a generation under you, there's some kids, you might even teach it to your own kids, and then when that truth doesn't sustain what they're going through, they're going to look at you because you told them that. Kind of like when, they said that you'll never see a black president in your generation. You know how many millions of kids they told that to? And you know how many millions of kids actually believed it? So they didn't even aim at being the president. People who had the ability to be the president didn't even try to be the president because somebody told them that they couldn't be president. And, people believe that crap. So I'm telling you right now, if you're going to make a comment, get biblical reference, call somebody, email somebody. It doesn't have to be me. I'm not, just the guru of God or something like that. Just find somebody that is in their word. Ask them about the subject. Do some research yourself. There's so many people, there's Bible scholars, Regent universities around the corner. If you care so much about truth, then you'll do the research. But if you don't, you are dangerous and you are a threat because you're just saying stuff. You're just saying wild stuff. And then people like me will frustrate you. People like me will frustrate you because you're goofy and you're saying crazy stuff. Now, I love you. Now, you can be like, now some of you who are a little bit more sensitive are going to be like, well, Duke, yeah, you said all that. You said it all mean and you're pointing at the camera and then you said, I love you. That doesn't mean you really love somebody. Look, I will go to war and fight for any of you guys out there that are truly believers. I will sacrifice my life. I will take a bullet for you. I'm really that dude. Don't get me mixed up and don't get me my firmness in my face and don't get the gestures. That's just passion. There it is. It's passionate. I'm not mean. I'm passionate about the things of God. I'm not mean. I love to sit around and laugh and joke. I love to play. But one thing I don't play with is truth because that's dangerous. It's deadly. It's truth, y'all. If people don't have truth, they will jump off buildings trying to fly. They will drink all their life away. They will do all these dumb things because they don't know what truth is. That's why people do what they do. My people perish because of lack of knowledge. You know? Now, we're dealing with a God that is offering so much truth, and we're in a generation that doesn't care. It just wants what it wants. So what do you want? Open your eyes. Look into your own heart. Do you really want God? Do you really want truth? Or do you just want to be right all the time without learning? Check yourself.